Introducing the award-winning Freestyle Pro ergonomic keyboard from Kinesis. With mechanical key switches, onboard programmability, full keyboard separation, adjustable tinting accessories, as well as switchable for both Windows and Mac. The Freestyle Pro addresses all of the major risk factors that can lead to keyboard-related repetitive strain injuries, including ulnar deviation. Keep your wrist straight with up to 20 inches of keyboard separation and onboard cable storage. Wrist extension. Protect your wrist from hard surface contact with optional palm supports. Excessive mouse reach. The 10 keyless design makes the keyboard small and keeps the mouse close by. Forearm pronation. Choose either a VIP3 Pro or V3 Pro tenting accessory option for a more natural and neutral typing posture. The FS Pro utilizes premium Cherry MX low-force mechanical key switches, offering incredible comfort, performance, and unmatched durability. Choose between Cherry Brown tactile key switches or Cherry Red Quiet linear force key switches. With the onboard SmartSet programming engine, boost productivity with the 8 Office hotkeys. Or assign your own custom key actions and time-saving macros to any key on the keyboard with the touch of a button. Create up to 9 different custom layouts optimized for specific tasks and applications. Want to program a complex macro or view your custom layout? Launch the no-install SmartSet app, which lives on the keyboard. All of your custom settings are saved direct to the keyboard's onboard memory, perfect for when you're working on the go or switching between computers.